Yusuf was taken to Egypt and sold as a slave. Even in hardship, he remained loyal to Allah and refused sin. His honesty led him to prison, where he interpreted dreams with wisdom. Years later, the king of Egypt saw a mysterious dream no one could explain. Yusuf interpreted the dream and warned of a coming famine. The king recognized his wisdom and honored him with great authority. During the famine, Yusuf's brothers came to Egypt seeking food. They stood before Yusuf without recognizing the brother they had betrayed. Yusuf forgave them with mercy, proving that faith conquers betrayal. The story of Yusuf teaches that patience transforms hardship into honor. Trust in Allah can turn the deepest pain into unexpected victory. For Allah's plan is always greater than human betrayal.